All right, this is DJ Ernie, and I'm doing a car show today. I'm being sponsored by Frozen Yogurt Store. Here's the equipment. They got. I'm playing CDs today, believe it or not, because it's a car show. I want to go retro with the CDs, so here's one right here. Yeah, so what the heck? I brought a sleeve of CDs, maybe about 120 of them, and most of them were compilations of greatest hits from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and some rock and roll stuff, like, the Eagles and Creedence Clearwater, I don't know, things like that, Van Halen. Anyway, it turned out really well. It worked out great. I didn't have any problems whatsoever. CDs played like it normally did, and people were amazed when I told them on the mic. I go, hey, man, check this out. I'm a DJ, and I'm not using a laptop. So a lot of people came by and checked it out, and they were laughing, and they were having a good old time with it. But the thing is, it works, okay? So that's all I can say. The CDs still work if you still have them, and they work really well. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Playing CDs, that's pretty cool. I'm using wireless speakers, JBLs right there. There's another one over there with the wireless system right here. So anyway, this is DJ Ernie with the DJ setup playing old school CDs. Kind of a mess with the wires though, but anyway, that's it. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Take it easy.
Saw those nitro cars fire up.